Manueleaso. There seems to be a lot of confusion around words like la'u and lo'u, lao and lo, lana and lona, and so forth. Even when asking native speakers to explain, you might be surprised it's even hard for them to explain it because to many of them, it's just common sense. What determines if you use the A or the O is the type of possession that it is. With the A, you're the boss. You have the authority and you are above the object. With the O, the object is over you. It covers you, it protects you, or if it's something like a conversation between two other people, then it's about you. What they say is out of your control. Keep these basic principles in mind of A and O as we go forth. Next, the A and the O can be used to form possessive pronouns like la'u and lo'u, which mean mine. They can also be used to begin the object phrase, but we'll talk about object phrases when we get to that lesson. Right now, let's get to the words like my, yours, his, hers, ours, and words like that. We talked before about limiters. Limiters put limits on the noun. With the limiter, we can change multiple cars, o ka'avale, to one car by saying ole ka'avale. Or we can change the limiter and make it la'u ka'avale, or my car. The word la'u, which many people recognize, isn't just a name that we give to a word. The word la'u is constructed from different concepts. Remember le, like le ka'avale, se ka'avale, ni ka'avale, and ka'avale, or cars without a limit. The specific limiters are le, or the, and no limiter. So the L in the la'u means something specific. The A means that I have authority, I'm over it, I'm the boss of it. And the apostrophe U means my. Let's put it all together. Specific control of mine. La'u, la'u tala, or my story. So if I said fa'alongo mai I la'u tala, or listen to my story, it's a story that I'm telling you. I have control over it. It's coming out of my mouth. What if I said lo'u tala? It's still my story, but what's the difference? The O. I don't have control. So that's a story that's about me. Someone else is telling the story. Maybe they're gossiping about me, or it could be a documentary about my life. If I want you to listen to my multiple stories, I would drop the L because that's singular, a'utala. Fa'alongo mai I a'utala. These are my specific stories that I'm telling you. The principle works the same for non-specifics too.